In today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to sell the E90. It's already sold, but the new owner wants to pick up the car with a trailer. He received an appointment in about 3 weeks, but he wants to take the car home. In a few minutes the trailer should be here. We are going to load the E90, and after that we have to search for another project car. So let's begin. This is it, boys. The last drive for the E90. The trailer is here in the street and we have to load the car. So yep, let's give it a nice start. Perfect. Let's see. To go right. Oops. Yeah, the 4 Series is parked right there, and as you can see the trailer is right in here. Let's hope it's not going to crash in front of me. No, he knows what he's doing. Bye bye. Yeah, let's buy a new project car. And we are here. This is not for us. Check this out. This door was painted in here. Yeah. The rear bumper is completely painted and completely cracked. Yeah. In here as well, this part on the wheel arch is completely painted, and hear that? Yeah, and check this out. Oh my god. So no car for us today, and I drove in here extra for this car. So let's search another one. So this is the next one. As you can see, it has some damage. I'm gonna check everything on the car and I'm gonna give you an update if we are going to take this one or something else. So yeah, this is it. This is our new project car. It has a small accident here in the front, but I'm gonna show you more in the morning because I have a small surprise for you. The car was delivered till here, so the car runs and drives. I've noticed on the dash that we have an airbag light in there. We don't have any check engine light. We have a tank of gas. Everything else seems to be just fine, but this is the first time when I check the car, so we are going to check everything in detail tomorrow. We have the dual exhaust because we have a Cooper S, yeah, with a turbo engine, 1.6 liter engine with turbo. I'm not sure about the horsepowers, and to be honest, I don't know too much about this car, but we are going to check tomorrow everything that's wrong with the car, yeah. So we are going to continue tomorrow. The next day, yeah, I'm a little bit tired because yesterday, as you can see in here, it was my birthday, yeah. 35 years old, yeah, I'm kind of old for this shit. So anyway, let's go in the garage to show you or to check what we've bought, because I had a small party yesterday for my birthday and I didn't check the car at all, yeah. So here it is. Yeah, now let's check what we have. And I said yesterday night that I have a small surprise for you, and let me show you what I mean by that. Oh my god, where are the keys? Just a second. Oh yeah, check this out. I have not one key, not two keys, but I have 3 keys. Oh, where are the keys? Man, just a second to turn the camera. So bam, 3 keys, yeah. This one is freaking empty, yeah. Nothing, not even the immobilizer, nothing is in there. We have a key with a key fob, but it's not working, nothing is happening. And we have the mechanical key, yeah, without the fob. So I want to start by checking if every key is cut to the car, yeah. So locks, that's one. Unlocks, the second one, and the third one. Let's see. Okay, so the blades are original. The blades are from this car original. But the small surprise is that, check this out, we have all the parts to repair the car. Yeah, I bought the car with all the parts that had to... Oh! Now what? Just a second. Nice, so now we know that we have an alarm on the car. Ah, that's strange. So we have an alarm. Oh yeah, I opened the car with other key. Oh, hear that? So anyway, okay, as you can see, we have all the parts in order to repair the car. Check this out. And these are brand new parts. See that? The stickers in there. This is the wheel arch, fender liner, or how the heck is called. And the original one is here, but it's not broken, just one tab in here. And we are going to replace it, of course, because we have a new one. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, a fender, the same color, a bumper, and oh, the turn signal, the fog light, the ring for the headlight. And I have some, oh, just a second, because we have an address here from the last owner, maybe. Another package with address in here. Oh, paint, for sure. So, just a second to put the camera, and we are going to take everything out and we are going to check what we have. I think we have everything in here that we need to fix the car, yeah. We have a new bumper in the same color, yeah, in the same blue as the car. we have a new fender. We just have to replace this, I'm not sure, trim, because this is an S1, as you can see here on this fender. Yeah, we have the S logo, and it's for this one. We have the fender liner. I'm not sure why he ordered a brand spanking new trim, fender flare, yeah, because the original one is right in here and is not broken. See that? Just one crack in there, but for that crack it doesn't need to be changed. Anyway, we have the headlight trim in there, but it's broken. We have the turn signal fog light. We even have some cans with the same color for this car, yeah. As you can see, color code match the car. Everything put in a can. We have 4 cans, and I even found the receipt in here for the paint. As you can see, almost 60 euros just for the paint. And we are going to use this because I received the bonnet as well, yeah, the hood, the bonnet, because it has some damage in here and around the headlight here and here. And I'm not sure if I've told you, but this car was in an accident with a deer. So anyway, we like I've said, I received as well the hood. I just have to pick the hood up. We are going to do that tomorrow, and the hood is a different color. That's why we have the paint. And to be honest, I think I'm gonna try to paint the hood with this paint, and if it's not going to work, we are going to wrap the hood with a UK flag, yeah, because it's a Mini Cooper. Oh yeah, and I've noticed that we have some hail damage and bigger spots, bigger than I saw on the first time, but this doesn't bother me at all. Yeah, let's start the car to see if today will start. So this is the first start for today. And I have to reset the oil light indicator. Yeah, starts right up. I've noticed that the radio doesn't work. So, as you can see, we have a radio set up. Nothing. We have 191,000 kilometers and the airbag light. I'm going to replace everything in the front, and after that we are going to check if the sensor for the crash bar is damaged or something like that, but we don't have any blown airbag. Before I close this video, I've opened the hood and I was wrong. This is not a turbo engine, yeah. As you can see, we have the exhaust in there without any turbo, but we have an intercooler, and this one is a compressor. An easy flip. And yeah, stay tuned for the next episode. If you want to see more videos about this car, about more cars, hit the subscribe button. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.